Mention you one by one. Thank you. Much love. Love, 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 love. Love, 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 love has come my way. Everything's gonna be okay. Good night, Sis Annabelle Atwood. Hugs to your son. Hugs, hugs, hugs. So, what is it all about? Oh, I have the upcoming premiere of the OC the Oracle channel. Kindly connect to him, my friend the Oracle channel. We have upcoming premiere in 3 hours. My baby girl is doing live. Also. We're waving, we're waving, we're waving, waving, waving. We're waving, we're waving, we're waving. Now we stop. Good job! Thank you, wherever you are right now. I know who you are. I know, I never. Mylene, hindi Mylene. Unsa ka Mylene? Naglaba ka ng... Are you doing ironing, laundering, cleaning, eating, exercising? Mylene! Dako ba si mong mata? May na. Nakakangkalag. Casey also is there in kalag. Mamaing. Ano siya mamaing? Ito ba mamaing Mylene? Ay! We're waving, we're waving, we're waving, waving, waving. Mama. Where is Papa? Mama? Papa? Ah, Mama Mia. Do you want me to sing Mama Mia? Mylene? Mama Mia? Okay, we'll sing Mama Mia for you, Mami Lynn. Mylene! Ganda ko sa kong ilong. I have a flat nose. Alright. Okay, we'll sing for you, Mylene, ha? Just a cappella. Sorry about my voice. Okay? Okay? Okay, alright. I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. So I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Casey! Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, whoa, Mamma Mia. Here we go again. My, How can I resist you, Mamma Mia? Does it show again? My, how just a little misty.